Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Steve James from Computer Science and Engineering Department. In this video, I am going to explain about graphical user interface in Python using Tkinter. Come, let's get into the video and see a detailed note on this. In this video, using graphical user interface in Python, I am going to create a registration form. Come, let's see how I'm going to do it. First, I'm going to import star from Tkinter module. This import star means nothing, just it calls all the functions from the Tkinter module. And here I'm going to import the message box. And now I'm going to create a cursor like tk using tk function in the name of reg. And I'm going to give the geometry as 500 into 500 so that it will be opening in the size of that. And I'm going to give the title as registration form using title function. And using label function, I'm going to label it using a register form, just like to give a name of the registration. And here I'm going to use place function to place the registration form text in which place I need to give. Like that, I'm going to create another 6 labels in this, and I'm going to get the input from the user using this label function. And again, I'm going to use another function named entry so that I'll be getting the input from the user in which way I want. So I'm using the register for the cursor of the window, and I'm going to get the text of the email so that I'll be getting the heading of it, and I'm assigning the width and font of this. And I'm going to place it in this location using the place function, and I'm using the entry of the reg so that I'll be getting the input from the user. And below this, I'm going to use 3 different functions here. For the label of gender, I'm going to use radio button so that I'll be having a male and female option so that I'll be clicking any one of this. And in this label 5, I'm going to use drop down label so that I'll be getting this in a list so that I'll be using that. And I'll be getting an option menu function here so that I can be getting the select your country like that. And I'm going to place it in this place so that using place function. And I have created another label in 6th function using check button function here. So that in this check button, I can get the options of their language so that in English, German, or French using these variables. And I'm going to place it in this location in the x-axis and the y-axis. And I have created a function here like msg using try and except method so that I'll be getting a pop-up here. So that if the registration will be a successful one means I will be getting a pop-up window like this. Otherwise, if I got any error means it will be clear. It will be giving the output as check if all the details are filled. And I'm going to click the button name submit so that I'll be able to submit my registration form here using the button function here. And I'm going to close this function using reg.main loop here. Come, let's see how the program runs. Yeah. Now this is my registration form here. You can see, I guess. In this, I'm going to give my name here. And here I can enter my number here. And my email. And here I have used the radio button so that I have 2 options like male and female. And I'm going to select a function here. And here I have created a function named dropdown so that it will be giving the list of the countries. So I'm going to select my country here. And again, I'm going to give the check button here so that it will be in another font like this, so that I'll be giving my language as English. And now I can get the submit button here, look. So if I get submitted, look, I got the successfully registered button. Hope this video will be a helpful one. Thanks.